Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview the SUNTOUCH Treasures Solar Pool Ionizer. Enjoy beautiful, turquoise clear pool water by employing the magic of our Solar Pool Maid Ionizer. It is powered by the sun, and no batteries are needed. Reduce the amount of chlorine and chemicals up to 85%. Just throw it into the pool and let it float. It will do the work for you. SUNTOUCH Treasures Solar Ionizer for 35,000 to 45,000 gallon pools. Includes copper anode, basket screen, spring, and screw. Product benefits: no installation required. Slash energy bills. Enjoy clear, clean, and completely safe pool water. Will not harm the finish of your pool or vinyl liner. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.